Now, new topic. We completed exercise 30.2 except question 5. We complete here in exercise 13 point before exercise 13.3. Conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. In daily life, we convert. In daily life, we convert. Suppose we convert some into other shape. Convert one shape to other shape. Like as for example, we fill water in the shape of pot, spherical. We pour it another shape like bottle, cylindrical bottle or bowl. Then we convert liquid in the shape of first, then another shape, convert into another shape. Suppose like in textbook there is a example of candle is a shape of animal shape. Its shape is animal. We burn this candle, then it is in a liquid form and its shape is not there. Then one shape convert into another shape. We play games. It is a shape of, then we shape convert into cuboidal, spherical, rectangle, another shape. We convert into clay game. Clay is converted into another shape. Here, conversion of solid from one shape to another. When we convert in one shape to another, therefore its volume is same. We have clay. We prepare shape, it's in a cuboidal form. Then shape, clay is not add or subtracted. Then volume of clay is equal to volume of cuboid. Shape, convert into shape, cuboid. Otherwise convert into spherical. Then its shape, both volumes are same. Not same, I say same, but here both volume are same. It is important that the volume of the solid after conversion remains the same as the volume of before conversion. Volume of the solid, if we convert into cuboidal, clay is in the spherical form, we convert it into spherical, then the volume of cuboid after conversion remains the same as the volume of sphere. It is very easy for your calculation. Suppose you learn the formulas of this chapter, formulas of volume, areas. You take this formula, learn this formula, then you calculate this sum is easily. A cone of height 24 cm and radius of base 6 cm is made up of modeling clay. Modeling clay, radius is shape in cone. A child destroy this shape and reshape it in the form of a sphere. Then it is a form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. A child convert a clay into shape spherical, convert into spherical shape, conical, then convert into spherical shape. Both volume are same. Volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere, or volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone. That is, here we write a cone. Two shapes here, a cone and a sphere. Cone and sphere. Cone of height 24 cm. H is equal to 24 cm. And radius of base 6 cm. Its radius is equal to 6 cm. It's made up of modeling clay. Cone is already made by clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. It is in a form of cone, then reshaped in a form of sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Find radius. Its radius we find. Here R, then I write capital R. We write as volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone made by clay, made up of modern clay, made by clay. Both are made by clay. Volume of sphere. What is the formula of volume of sphere? Here, both volume, we say that volume of the solid after is conversion is equal to same as the volume of before conversion. After conversion, volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone. Volume of sphere formula. What is formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here r is equal to capital pi r cube equals to volume of cone. Which is the formula volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. We know these formulas, then we calculate this sum easily. But suppose we use wrong formula, then our answer is wrong. Here volume of cone we write pi r square h, then it is wrong. It is 1/3 pi r square h, and volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 multiply pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r cube equals to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. 6 into 6 into h. H is equal to 20. We find r. Then we write r cube is here. Then all terms are opposite side. For opposite side, r cube is equal to 1/3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 24 into 3 is division, then multiplication. 3 by 4 multiply 7 by 22. Then we cut 3, 3, 7, 7, 22, 22, 4, 6, 7. R cube is equal to, here we do not multiply of 6 into 6 into 6. We write here, it is a 6 cube. Otherwise we write 216, then convert 6 cube is equal to 216. Then R is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, radius of sphere is equal to 6 centimeter. So, radius of sphere is equal to 6 centimeter, which is our answer. Now we learn this topic. One shape convert into other shape. When they convert into other shape, their volume is same as after and before conversion. Example, a cone of height and radius is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of sphere. Find the radius of sphere. Cone and sphere, we write both information. Then volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone made by clay. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square. Put all the terms here r cube. Find therefore r cube is equal to, taking these terms in opposite sides, dividation becomes denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. We know this is a rule. Then r cube is equal to 6 cube. R is equal to 6 centimeter. Good morning. In last lecture, we learned about volume of solid, which is combination of two solids. Then we find first volume of solid is equal to combination of which two solids. First we find their volume and find the volume of main solids. Here example number 8. Example number 10. Example number 8 done in last lecture. A copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. That is copper rod. Rod is the shape of cylindrical and its diameter and length is 8 centimeter, diameter 1 centimeter, length 8 centimeter, is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. There is two shapes, rod and wire. Both shapes are same. Both shapes are cylindrical shape because wire is also cylindrical and rod is cylindrical. Copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter. Rod diameter is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, its radius is equal to 1 upon 2 centimeter and length 8 centimeter. That means height. Length of rod is equal to height of cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter. Is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter. Length of wire is equal to its height. Then its denoted is capital H is equal to 18 meter. All terms are having unit centimeter, then we convert into centimeter. 18 into 100 centimeter is equal to 1800 centimeter. Then find the thickness of the wire. What is thickness? Thickness is a cross section of its diameter. Diameter find, then find diameter. Thickness, that means cross section of wire is equal to its thickness. Therefore, find diameter. Suppose we find diameter, then we first find radius. Radius is in capital letters. Volume of wire and volume of rod are same because it's converted into one shape to other shape. volume of wire is equals to volume of, both are in shapes, cylindrical shape. Then formula, what is the volume of cylinder? Yes, pi r square h. Yes, volume of wire is equals to pi. Wire's terms are denoted in capital letters. Pi r square h is equals to volume of rod is equals to pi r square h. Put the value 22 by 7 into r square. Capital R, we find it, and h is equals to 1800 is equals to pi 22 by 7 r square 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into h is equals to, then we find r square. R square is equals to, all terms are opposite side 1 half into 1 half into 8 into 7 upon 22 into 1 upon 1800. R square is equals to 22, 7, 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 900. Answer is 1 upon 900. 900 is the square of 30. R square is equals to 1 upon 30 square. So R is equals to 1 upon 30. R is equals to 1 upon 30. But we want diameter. Why? Because diameter is the thickness of the wire. Diameter is equals to 2 into R is equals to 2 into 1 upon 30, 1 upon 15 centimeter, converting to millimeter. How many millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters. 1 upon 15 into 10 millimeter. 5 3s are 5 2s are is equals to 2 by 3 millimeter equals to 0.67 millimeter approximately. Suppose you write that 1 upon 15 centimeter, it is correct answer, but I convert millimeter, it convert into millimeter, and then answer is 0.67 millimeter. Again, a copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. There is two solids, rod and wire. Diameter is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, its radius is equal to 1 upon 2 centimeter. Height, that means its length. Length is equal to 8 centimeter. H is equal to 8 centimeter. Wire length, height is equal to 18 meter is equal to 1800 meter. Centimeter is equal to 1800 centimeter. Then find what is thickness? Thickness of wire is equals to cross section of its diameter. What is thickness? Thickness, suppose it is a wire. Its diameter is its thickness. Therefore, cross section of its diameter, its wire. We know volume of wire is equals to length of 18 meter of wire. Volume of wire is equals to volume of road. Write both formula. Then converting r square. We find only r square. Therefore, these terms are going opposite side cut, and simplification r square is equals to 1 upon 900, r is equals to 1 upon 30. But we want diameter. Diameter is equals to d. D is equals to 2 into r. 1 upon 13 cm, 1 upon 15 centimeter. But here, I convert it into millimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter is equals to 2 by 3 millimeter. Therefore, 0.67 millimeter. Here, example 10 completed.